So what do you say we're going upstairs? I'll tuck you in. Come on.
Where's the best place to actually talk in the college? You know about how she was killed.
Stay right there for a first-time TV offer from Nutrisystem.
It's Nutrisystem's Super Summer Sale. Save $100 right now and look super this summer. Come on, it's time to get out and play. Lose weight with your Super Summer menu featuring over 40 gourmet, fresh frozen foods you're gonna love.
I'm Marie Osmond, and I lost 50 pounds on Nutrisystem. Oh, I love it. No counting, no measuring, no weighing in. That's so yesterday.
Ooh. Believe it, you'll get 4 fantastic meals a day, from decadent gourmet pizza to barbecue-style fun foods like burgers and hot dogs. Then top it off with ice cream for dessert. At about $3 a meal delivered to your door, Nutrisystem can't be beat.
Just try Nutrisystem for 1 month, and you'll see just how easy it is.
It's super savings for everyone. So come on, order now and save $100 on every order. But hurry, the Nutrisystem Super Summer Sale is for a limited time.
Click or call 877-598-PIN now and book Super this summer.
Time to tackle these greasy dishes. I'm going to need my biggest player. A change in the lineup.
1 bottle of Ultra Dawn has the grease cleaning power of 2 of his competing brands. Dawn does more.
So it's not a chore.
Now, soften lips with a more sensuous nude. Color sensational nudes from Maybelline New York for smoother, softer lips in 5 days. Our formula with honey nectar hydrates. Now, 6 new nudes. Color sensational.
Love it.
Bye, Mom.
Have a good day, honey.
Okay. I told you not to record him.
You said not. You said do it.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. I said
One
don't
day,
do it.
It will hit you.
You said do it.
I'm tempted to put it on YouTube.
64% of kids are. Nestle Pure Life Water can help them maintain proper hydration and start the day refreshed. Choose the crisp, clean taste of America's #1 bottled water. Nestle Pure Life. Embrace the pure life.
Find yourself sometimes cleaning up after your dishcloth? Bounty Extra Soft can help. In this lab test, Bounty Extra Soft leaves this surface 3 times cleaner than a dishcloth. Super clean, super soft. Bounty Extra Soft in a big pack.
Get out.
Get out! Ow! Frustrated with leftover stains? Try Tide Stain Release. It gets out tough stains better than the leading in-wash powder booster. Get out! Get out!
Get out.
See for yourself. Get out and take the challenge.
It's all social studies at the Macy's Back to School event. Connect with your friends and get all the styles you like. Get these cool scrim tees now $8.99 to $12.99. Pick up these activewear essentials now $14.99 to $33. Fun knit tops for girls only $17.99. Plus stock up and save on must-have Levi's now $21.99 to $27.99. It's Macy's Back to School event. Win a classroom makeover for your school. Go to Macy's Facebook page to enter. Tonight, alone and alienated.
She's an emotional wreck.
Rachel is in total meltdown mode.
I think she really is falling apart.
Will she bounce back
I need to stop crying, pull it together.
and play for her evicted lover?
I will do whatever I can to avenge my fiance. Ooh, it's not going to be pretty.
A new Big Brother tonight only CBS.
Movie this fall. Free meets Dude.
What was that? So, like, can you appreciate it?
How to Be a Gentleman. Thursdays this fall.
Thank you for coming, Michael. This is about Diane.
Well, Jack is now aware that Diane wants me to assume custody of Kyle.
I'm sure that went well.
I told him that for the time being, Kyle could stay with him, but eventually he needs to be where he belongs.
With you?
Yeah.